Module 2, fundamental breakdown. Starts off with a step reverse side kick. My back foot's going to step forward, find the camera, turn, reverse side kick, chamber on top for a back fist. This hand that's out is going to reach like you would grab somebody's grabbing me around the neck and I'm going to throw them. So I take that back fist, reach it back. Downward elbow, instead of a throw, it becomes an elbow strike. Same thing opposite side. I look where I'm going. Step, reverse side kick, chamber on top, back fist, grab, downward elbow. Look back to the beginning, back leg goes a front kick, left foot goes outer crescent. We're going to chamber on top, back fist punch in a transition stance, round kick, and then I'm going to reverse side kick, but look where I came from. So I reverse side kick, and then I land looking where I came from. Repeats the same thing. Front kick, outer crescent, back fist, punch, transition stance, round kick, reverse side kick, land looking where you came from.